Hey everyone, Turtle Wax Streak Free Mist. Interior quick detailer. It's for glass, plastic, nav screens, you name it. So it's supposed to be streak free, supposed to help with, repelling dust and stuff. However, you can see here, some odd reason, the upper part of my dash is not, I don't know, it gets all foggy. I don't know why it's like that, but the rest of my stuff is becoming, I don't know if the coating that I put on, the whatever, it just didn't hold. So we're gonna see how this product does. It's a quick detailer, so you gotta shake it up really well. You can spray it directly on if you want to, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to use a microfiber towel. If I could figure out how to use this thing. Okay, I figured it out. I had to give it a few pumps, but I ended up just spraying it on. Do a little bit on the towel here. It took it a second. It was a brand new bottle. So we're just gonna use this to quickly wipe everything down. As you can see, did an okay job. So let's see what it says after that. Second clean microfiber cloth, I guess, to buff it off. Oh, keep hitting my head on the rear view mirror here. Oh, there you go. And as you can see, this is a protected side with the 303. And this is just using the Turtle Wax Streak Free Mist Interior Quick Detailer. It did bring back its natural shine, which is really good. Figure since we're at it, we will just flip this little towel over here. I'm gonna do a quick little cleaning of spraying on the towel, and we're going to use it on our nav screen here. Okay, we got that on there. Take our clean dry microfiber. We're just gonna kind of buff that out. And look at that, nice and clean, streak free from what I can see. And I missed a little spot here in the corner, but overall, yeah, look at that, nice and clean. All right, and so now we're gonna test this on glass. My inside glass is really dirty. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, I haven't cleaned the exterior of the glass yet, but I'm getting there. So I sprayed some of this product onto this towel, and I'm just gonna kind of bring it back and forth a bit here, just to see if I could get a decent look out of it while sitting in the garage. I may open it up to let light shine in on it. So I got that cleaned up, at least this half. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna buff this off. They did say on the bottle that if streaking occurs, go through with a damp towel, and wipe it clean, and then go back and dry it. Yeah, the exterior of my glass is extremely dirty. I'm way overdue for a good washing on this car. You know, from what I can tell, it is clean. Let's see if I can get some sunlight to beam on it. Yeah, that didn't help. Yeah, that didn't help at all. I wonder if there's a difference. I mean, left side here looks a little bit more clearer than the right side, but it's kind of hard to tell. So, I don't know, use your best judgment. Thanks for watching.